Truecaller, a popular caller ID app, is renowned for blocking tens of billions of spam calls each year for its massive user base of over 374 million. Now, aiming to attract more premium users, it is enhancing its tech with a significant update. The Max update for Android premium users introduces an AI-powered feature that blocks all calls not from approved contacts or flagged as potential spam, even if they're not in Truecaller's existing database. This marks a shift from previous methods relying primarily on database listings and user screening. This Android-exclusive update stems from Apple's restrictions on iOS, preventing apps like Truecaller from automatically checking and blocking spam calls. Consequently, iPhone users have a more limited service built around CallKit. Truecaller's new direction arrives amidst a crucial business phase. Despite facing a revenue dip and potential competition from a proposed caller ID service by the Indian telecom regulator in its largest market, India, Truecaller is betting big on this feature. This initiative taps into the growing irritation with spam calls and the public's increasing interest in AI solutions. Ranging from $9.99 monthly to $999.99 annually, Truecaller's premium tiers might see growth with this enhanced AI feature. It simplifies the user experience by automatically blocking suspicious calls, moving away from the app's earlier approach that required more user interaction. Kunal Dua, Truecaller's vice president of search, highlights the update as a response to user demand for more proactive app functions. The Max AI has been fine-tuned through testing numerous algorithms and user feedback. Despite its advanced features, a rollout to iOS users remains unlikely unless Apple changes its policies. Truecaller has previously introduced live caller ID support for iOS, but with limited capabilities. The Max feature does come with a caution, as it may occasionally block legitimate calls, which users can manually unblock. This feedback loop is expected to refine the AI over time, enhancing its accuracy in differentiating between spam and genuine calls. Users can access this new spam blocking feature in Truecaller's latest version by navigating through the app's settings.